Hello students, today we are going to start third chapter HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor and LCM is least common multiple. Prime number means that goes only in one table. So see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on, that this all numbers go in one table, that is called as prime numbers. Now we will see co-prime numbers. In this, the numbers which do not have any common divisor then 1 are called co-prime numbers. That means this pair which they have given to you in this, they goes only in one table, like 125 is a 125 is a 25 and 129 is a 129. So that means this go only in one table. We can't try in another table, like suppose 5 5s are 25, but 29 doesn't come in 5 tables, so that means this go only in one table. So this is co-prime number, we remember that thing. Twin prime numbers, in this, the if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, then the two prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. That means in this, the difference between two, that is called as twin prime number. So in this 3 5, the difference is 2, that means this is twin prime pair, and this is also twin prime pair. See 5 7, that means 6 7, these two pairs. So that's why this is twin prime number, which I have shown you example over here. Now we shift to problem set. Problem set 10, we will see. In first, which number is neither a prime numbers nor a composite number? Now you know students, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now second, which of the following are the pair of co-primes? Now here they have given the pairs. So first pair is 8 14. In this, factor of 8 means 8 कौन से टेबल्स में जाते हैं, जैसे 1 8 ज़ा 8, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 1 ज़ा 8, itself 8. Like this only 14 goes in one table, 2 table, 7 table and 14 table. So how you will write this? 8 14 is not a pair of co-prime number. Similarly, we will solve second one also. 4 5. So 4 goes in one table, 2 table and itself 4 ones are 4. 5 also 1 and 5. So that means in this one pair, one table is gone. So that means 4 5 is a co-prime number. जब भी कोई एक टेबल में अगर ये पैर जाते हैं तो उसको को प्राइम होता है, ऑलरेडी हमने एक्सप्लेन किया था. और इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि दो टेबल्स में जा रहे हैं, एक तो खुद का 1 और दूसरा एक 2 के इसमें. तो 2 इसमें जाने की वजह से क्या हो जा रहा है, नॉट अ पेयर ऑफ को प्राइम नंबर. सिमिलरली वी विल सी थर्ड वन 17 19. Now 17 goes in one table and itself 17. 19 also 1 and 19. So in this 17 19 is a co-prime number. That means this go only in one table. Common is 1. Now next we will see, that is fourth one, 27 15. In this 27 goes in 1 3 9 and itself 27. Similarly 15 also 1 3 5 and 15. That means in two table this pair goes. So it is not a pair of co-prime numbers. You can write like this. Now question number 3. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. That means you have to list from 25 to 100 that how many numbers come. Now see here, the prime numbers from 25 to 100 are as follows. So here I have written 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So that means this comes in 25 to 100. Now how about they have said that say how many they are. That means you have to count how many they are. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So there are 16 prime numbers from 25 to 100. Now question number 4, write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. That means twin prime number which I explained you the difference between two. Now you will see here this 25 to 100 which they have given you. So here you can see from 51 to 100, see here 53 and 59. The difference is much more. So you can't take this. Suppose I have taken 59, 61. Yes. So the difference is of 2. That means this is a twin prime number. So I have written here 59 and 61. Similarly, you have to find the next one, 71 and 73. So the difference between two, that is a twin prime numbers. Okay. Now question number 5. Write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. That means from 1 to 50 you have to write the 5 pairs. Here we have written only 2 pairs. Okay, now we have to write the 5 pairs from 1 to 50. Now see here, first pair is 3, 5. The difference is 2. 5, 7. Another is 11, 13. Next 29, 31. And last one is 41 and 43. So these 5 pairs I have written here for 1 to 50 prime numbers. Now we will see question number 6. In this, which are the even prime numbers? 2 is only the even prime number. Be remember that. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you problem set 11.